Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told the cost C in dollars that a catering company charges to cater a wedding is given by the function C is equal to 20 WT plus 300, where W represents the number of workers catering the wedding and T represents the total time in hours it will take to catering the wedding using W workers. We're asked which of the following is the best explanation of number 20 in the function. So if C is equal to 20 WT plus 300. So if we just had one worker working 1 hour, then our formula would be C is equal to 20 times 1 times 1, because there's one worker working for 1 hour, plus 300. This is just 20 plus 300. Let's say we have two workers and they're both working 1 hour. We have 20 times 2 times 1 plus 300 is 20 times 2 plus 300. Let's say we just had one worker, but he was working for 2 hours, right? That's still 20 times 1 times 2 is 20 times 2 plus 300. And let's say both of the workers were working for 2 hours. That now becomes 20 times 4 plus 300. So every time we increase the number of workers, we have to add 20. Every time we increase the time, we have to increase the total by 20. And when we do both, we have to increase it by 20 twice. So what does the number 20 mean in this function? It means for every worker, every hour, it costs $20. Not just one or not just the other, but both. $20 per hour for each worker. C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.